Hello everyone, my name is Fletch and welcome to episode 2 of the Dynamic Duo. And of course with me, I have my co-host, ChopperFett.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the show. Hope you liked the premiere last week. We have more in store for you now.
Okay, so today we'll be talking about
suspensions. Because guess what? We're still talking about the comfort of the butt.
Exactly, it's all about the butt 2 weeks in a row. Good to understand the types of suspensions that we have. Right? So what sort of suspensions are out there in the market?
You got your gas shocks, you got air shocks, you got your coils. There's like 5 or 6 actual different types, and that's just for the back end. You also have the front end as well that you have to be concerned with.
I think, that's one of the things that puts a lot of us off, and why it's always at the bottom of our list, because it always turns out to be the most expensive thing.
Peace out, I'm out, I'm done.
Exactly. I'm gone. I'm out of here. Forget it. I'll just, zen out when I hit potholes. We were talking about height earlier. What was the other factor that we need to take into account?
Your lean angle, because if you have a cruiser like us, your lean angle is generally like 25 to 30 degrees is all. Whereas a sport bike, your lean angle is like could be up to 45 or not, if even higher degrees, where you can.
But here's the funny thing. A thought just occurred to me that. When you realize in 2000, all the 2020 models that we have for the touring bikes, none of them have adjustable shocks. For us, we have to take out tools to adjust the preload. So that's going to take half an hour.
You do. You have to take out tools.
I have to take out. So I have stopped, right?
Yeah. With the air shocks, what kind of turned me away from there is I feel like that's just something you have to constantly maintain, and it's another T-clock check that without even doing anything to your bike, your preload has changed on its own.
The end of the day is that when you make changes to the seat, when you make changes to the suspension, it will change the entire rider triangle.
Thanks again for watching. As always, I am ChopperFett, and
I'm Fletch. Thank you very much for watching. Be safe and have safe rides.